Hello guys, in this video I will guide you how can you make your iPhone more aesthetic in just few steps. It's really quick and easy. I will walk through all the steps, but first hit the subscribe button down below. It's really helped me out. Thanks guys. Now firstly hold on your screen. Here you can see it's an edit option. Just tap on it. Here is the customize option. Tap on customize. Here are some options. You just tap on tinted. Here you can see it's change your theme. You can adjust your theme according to your choice. So you can change color of your apps. Here you can see my apps color got change. Apps color changing according to how, whenever I move color got change. You can see. You can adjust it according to you, which color you like and which one you want to edit. You can do it just automatic here, but dark here you can see it's a dark theme, and if you don't like both of them, you just tap on this light option, and here you can see it's undo. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, just comment down below, and here to go.